When you're surfing, you're not thinking about anything else. Everything that was going on land that might have been troubling you, or that you thought was absolutely important that you do this instant, somehow it just sort of drifts away, and the sea has that power. You are out there in this completely dynamic environment. Everything is in constant flux, and you're reacting to the movements. You can't force anything because you have to wait for the wave. So you act when the ocean chooses, and that's what makes it so magical, is that you're not in control. You're working with this much greater force. It's, walking on water, and sometimes even being inside this kinetic vortex of swirling energy that's crossed the entire ocean to break on this one sandbar, and you are inside that chamber, inside that living thing, and it's never going to happen again. Never like that. And so that is this split second. It's fleeting, and at the same time, it lasts forever. When you're in the water, there are only a few moments where you're actually riding a wave. It's maybe 1% of a 2-hour surf session that you're actually on the wave. The rest, you're paddling through the whitewash. You're exhausted, you're waiting between sets, maybe getting impatient. So it's a lot like life. You're having to work and struggle to get to those moments where you're up on the hill with your family having a picnic, or you're celebrating a promotion, or you're getting married. Those moments where you're blissed out. In life too, I think if you want to live a happy life, you have to embrace the difficult parts and enjoy that challenge. It's part of what helps you become a better person.